Hi, I'm Will, and today I'm going to talk to you about the brilliant new stretcher bar assembly machine. This revolutionary machine allows you to create perfectly square frames in a quarter of the time it would take by hand. It's simple to use and gives great results every time. Here's how to set it up. Ensure the clamp is in the closed, locked position. Release the orange stop handles and move the bar to roughly the size of your short length. Leave enough to slide the lengths in easily. Place the short lengths so they sit on the ledges. Now place the long lengths on the ledge so that all four pieces are close but not touching. Lock the bars in place, leaving a small gap between the pistons and the stretcher bars. Finally, ensure that pistons on the right-hand side are in the correct position to push directly on the corner of the stretcher bar. With everything in place, simply push the two buttons on the control panel at the same time to join the frame. Just to see how fast it is, we timed ourselves to see how long it would take to do 5 frames. Here's what happened. As you can see, it took me just over a minute to do 5 frames, which I think you'll agree is a massive time saving. Go to lionpick.co.uk for more information and to order.